हाय वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो होने वाला है एक्सपेरिमेंटल। As you can see on my right side I have one pimple here and the left side one pimple here, and the whole left side I got pigmentation and the right side also. Let's start the video. Put your hair back and clip it there. So here I'm going to rub banana peel onto my skin for 7 days every morning. I'm going to rub this onto my skin very gently and smoothly. I'm thinking that it's gonna be harsh on my skin, but it's not. So banana peel skin में rub करने से धीरे धीरे बहुत स्मूथ हो जाता है और फेस में बहुत अच्छे से ग्लाइड भी होता है, कोई हार्मफुल नहीं है। It's been 5 minutes since I rubbed the banana peel into my skin. As you can see, it's completely dry. Now it's ready for wash. As you can see, I look so ugly though, but that's okay. Can't move my face, it's completely tight on my skin. So I just wash my face. I'm gonna pat dry with this clean towel. Keep a different towel for your skin only. Don't rub the towel onto your skin, that might be gonna harsh on your skin and causing pimples. This is the first day, guys. Let's see how it works in 7 days. Hope for the best. I wash my face and this is how it looks like before application. Day 2, as usual, I rub the banana peel all over my face. Very gently I rub this banana peel into my skin in a circular motion. I use different banana peel in different place of my face, as you can see here. Take your time, rub the banana peel 5 minutes every day. in the morning. It's completely dry, ready to wash. This is the day 2 after wash my face, and I pat dry with the clean towel. And my face this looks like. I feel like my pimples gonna disappear little bit. Hope for the best. Day 2. Day 3, I wash my face and pat dry. Now how it looks like, you can see. As usual, I rub the banana peel into my skin. I lost the whole footage. Sorry for that. My face looks clean today, right? Now my face completely dry. It's time to wash. This is the day 3 after wash my face. I pat dry with the clean towel. Now you can see how it looks like. My pimples are got disappear. You can see. This pimple was little painful and the pigmentation are disappear. Hope for the best. Wish me luck. Day 3. Day 4. Let's straight into this video. As usual, I rub the banana peel into my skin. One thing I noticed that it's remove my suntan and it gives a really coolness to the face. As you can see, I rub this banana in a circular motion onto my skin. Because of that, it helps to improve the blood circulation. As we know all that banana peel is a natural ingredient, so for that it's not gonna be harmful to your skin in any way. As I told you before, I use different banana peel to different parts of my face. You can see that in everyday wala videos. It really smoothens my skin after I wash. Banana peel doesn't want to come out from my face. So I have sewn the different parts, as you can see. Let's see how it goes into my skin. Finally, it's day 4. So far so good. We are closer to the day 7. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. I just washed my face and pat dry it with the clean towel of mine. And you can see how my face looks like. This is the day 4. Day 5. As usual, I started rubbing banana peel into my skin. This video was too long, so I make it short. I was rubbing banana peel into my skin just because of this video was faster, so it looks like I was harsh on my skin, but I was not. I was totally gentle into my skin. Please do watch the video end of the day 7 and let me know what you guys think and what you guys notice. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. Watch the video and enjoy. I might be look funny in this video, but the banana peel till now doing the great job. That's why I'm doing this for all of you guys. Do watch. So my face was completely dry. It's been 5 to 10 minutes, as you can see here. It's time to wash it off. So I just washed my face, gonna pat dry with this clean towel of mine. Now you can see my face on day 5, how it looks like. My monthly cycles was coming, so I got 1, 2, 3 pimples on my face. But other than that, there is so much pimples are gone, that little bumps are gone. And the pigmentation and pimples marks also gone. Hope for the best, guys. Day 6 before the application, I got some 2 to 3 bumps on my forehead. So this is the day 6. We are so far, so close to the day 7. Just one more day. I noticed that so much good things going on into my skin from the banana peel since I used into my skin. This is very good for oily and combination skin type and also the dry skin types. It completely balances out my oil glands in my skin. Literally in this day 6, I feel like my pimple marks are faded day by day. This is highly recommended to all skin types. Don't worry too scared of doing this onto your skin. This is not gonna harmful anyway. Keep watching whole video and let me know in the comment section what you guys noticed from day 1 to day 7. I just washed my face, as you can see. I'm gonna pat dry with my clean towel. I use this towel only for my face. You should do that also. This is my skin, how it looks like. When I start this banana peel rub into my skin, I got so many pimples on my chin and on my cheeks, but they are all gone. Just the marks are there. On this side, there are so many pimple marks are gone, as you can see here, and here one pimple was there, but other than that there is no pimples. The pimples are going down and down. It's gone literally. I got one bump here, and 2, 3, 4 some here on my forehead. On my chin there are lots gone. I still have marks, but yeah, I hope it will be gone in some day. Hope for the best. See you in this day 7. This is the day 7. You can see how my skin looks like, and it's time for use the banana pill. By the way, I am not only used the banana pill, but I ate the whole banana. So we reached the last day of banana pill experiment. In last 7 days, I noticed that it's removed my suntan and pigmentation on my cheeks. साथ ही साथ जो भी pimples थे वो भी गायब हो गए लगभग. I love to do this because while I'm doing this, my blood circulation get improved on my face, and it's very good for tighten up my skin, and I love that. Banana pill, it's awesome for wrinkles. Wrinkles नहीं होंगे आप banana pill use करोगे ऐसे तो. So I highly recommend you guys to do this because I got so many benefits from this. So I want you to get benefits. It's not gonna be harmful to your skin in any way. So it's been 5 to 10 minutes of the banana pill application, and now it's time for wash it off. So I just washed my face and pat it dry with my clean towel. Now you can see how it looks like my face. As I said before, so many pimples are gone, but one is there because of my monthly cycle. But other than that, everything just, I don't know how they go away. So that's all for the banana pill experiment, and this is my bare face. I have nothing on my face right now. Hope you like this video, and if you're gonna try this out, then let me know how it works on your face. Comment section में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. So let me hydrate my lips first with this Himalaya Strawberry Shine Lip Care. I love this lip balm. So today's notification shout out goes out to S Chinmoy Prusti. Thank you so much for having me notify. अगर आप भी मेरे नोटिफिकेशन शैडो में इंटरेस्टेड हो तो मेरे चैनल को जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, साथ में बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिएगा. फिर नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में आपको लिखना है नोटिफिकेशन ऑन. That's literally all you gotta do. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Let them know about the banana pill benefits. I will see you next time with the new video. Bye. Like, share and subscribe. Lots of love. Take care.